Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford Explorer. It's right here behind me. Why don't we take a look? Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille, a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels, looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. And up top you do have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Rear backup sensors and dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.